In aviation, data is everywhere, but rarely in the same place. Tag records, CAMO systems, reliability reports, they each run their own track. So what happens? Engineers build spreadsheets to cross-check. Transfer projects start with a manual data cleanup, and predictive systems are treated with suspicion. We've learned to work around it, but every workaround adds friction. Every gap in data slows down a decision, a sign-off, or a redelivery. We spend more time verifying data than using it. At EXSYN, we have built a new foundation: aviation native apps that create a continuous layer of data. Apps that fit into your existing workflows without forcing change. Health checks that verify data quality before it becomes a problem. An OEM library that removes guesswork from service bulletin tracking. Reliability engineering tools that let you work with the data, not against it. AOG risk monitors that prioritize issues before they escalate. This isn't about replacing your systems. It's about making them work better. It's about letting your team focus on what really matters, keeping aircraft airworthy, safe, and efficient. I founded EXSYN on a belief that better use of data could reduce errors, lower risk, and support smarter, safer operations. Data continuity isn't just a technical fix. If aviation is going to be predictive, connected, and intelligent, its data has to come first. That's where we come in. That's what aviation data continuity makes possible. That's what EXSYN delivers.